Which abberior microscope should I get? This of course strongly depends on your needs and on your application. Abberior Instruments is offering a wide range of confocal and super resolution microscopes for almost every need. For example, if you want to go down to very few nanometers to really molecular resolution, MINFLUX is a microscope of choice. These new technologies allows an isotropic resolution down to very few nanometers. If you're interested in having a highly versatile and expandable tailor-made system, very open system, modular system, the infinity system is the right choice. If you run a facility and have hundreds of users running around with different application, ease of use is of course a topic, then the facility line is a correct choice. If you're interested in having a compact system which gives perfect results in 2D down to 30 nanometer resolution, the STEDYCON is the best choice. One thing to be mentioned about the STEDYCON, this is an entry model which can be attached to an existing fluorescence microscope and turn it into a confocal and a STED system. So as you see, we are offering a wide range of confocal and super resolution techniques, and we are happy to get in touch with users and find the right solution for you.